Welcome to Kovic's Corner Math Channel. The topic of today's lesson is adding and subtracting fractions. The problems on the HiSET or GED mathematics test will require you to add and subtract fractions. Adding fractions. Multiply the denominators, the bottom numbers. Cross-multiply the two fractions. Add the numerators and keep the denominator. Simplify the fraction if needed. Those are the adding fraction steps. Example. We have 1/2 plus 2/4. First step, multiply the denominators. 2 times 4 equals 8. Cross multiply the two fractions. So first take 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we can add them. Add the numerators. 4 plus 4 equals 8. The denominator is 8. Bring it across. And 8 divided by 8 equals 1. The next problem, 1/3 plus 2/5 equals 11/15. First step is to multiply the denominators. 3 times 5 equals 15. The next step, cross-multiply the two fractions. 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 5 equals 5. Now we can add the numerators. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Bring the denominator over 15. 11 over 15. Okay, example, 1/4 plus 2/6 equals 7/12. First step is to multiply the denominators. 4 times 6 equals 24. Cross multiply the two fractions. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 6 equals 6. Add the numerators and keep the denominator. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Bring the denominator over 24. Simplify the fraction if needed. This needs to be reduced. So divide the numerator and denominator both by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Next problem, 1/5 plus 2/7 equals 17 over 35. First step is to multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 equals 35. Cross multiply the two fractions. 5 times 2 equals 10. 1 times 7 equals 7. Add the numerators and keep the denominator. 10 plus 7 equals 17. The denominator is 35. Subtracting fractions, you're going to do it the exact same way. So the steps, multiply the denominators, the bottom numbers, cross multiply the two fractions, subtract the numerators and keep the denominator, and simplify the fraction if needed. Example, 1/3 minus 2/5 is going to equal 1/15. First step, multiply the denominators. Those are the bottom numbers. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Cross multiply the two fractions. 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 5 equals 5. Now we're going to subtract the numerator and keep the denominator. 6 minus 5 equals 1. The denominator is 15. The answer is 1/15. 1/2 minus 2/3 will equal 1/6. First step, multiply the denominators. 2 times 3 equals 6. Cross multiply the two fractions. 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. The answer is 1/6. All right, here's some more examples. 1/4 minus 2/4 will equal 1/4. First step is multiply the denominators. Those are always the bottom numbers. 4 times 4 equals 16. Cross multiply the two fractions. So 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 4 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4, and the denominator stays the same, 16. Simplify the fraction. Divide the numerator and denominator both by 4. The answer is 1/4. 1/5 minus 2/5 will equal 1/5. First step is multiply the denominators. 5 times 5 equals 25. Cross multiply the two fractions. 5 times 2 equals 10. 1 times 5 equals 5. Subtract the numerators. 10 minus 5 equals 5. The denominator stays the same, 25. Simplify the fraction. Divide the numerator and denominator by 5 will equal 1/5. Thank you for watching my videos. Please click like and subscribe. Have a nice day.